Welcome to Corfu, the jewel of the Ionian Sea. Also known as Kekira or by its more familiar name, this destination boasts a rich tapestry of history, culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. Nestled amongst the renowned Ionian Islands, stunning scenery awaits you. Lush landscapes meet crystal-clear waters, creating a postcard-perfect scene. This remarkable destination seamlessly blends the past and present, offering a vibrant experience for visitors. Explore the UNESCO World Heritage Site of the Old Town, where charming, narrow streets and Venetian architecture whisper tales of a bygone era. Uncover the stories in every corner, or step into the grandeur of the Aeolian Palace, a testament to a bygone era. Nature lovers rejoice. Pristine waters beckon for swimming and snorkeling, while the unique rock formations of the Canal d'Amorin Sidari offer a touch of legend alongside their beauty. Beyond the stunning scenery, a rich culture is reflected in the delectable cuisine. Indulge in local specialties like sofrito and pastazzada at traditional tavernas, where you'll experience the warmth of Greek hospitality. Immerse yourself further by visiting the Corfu Museum of Asian Art or taking a leisurely stroll through Spianada Square, the largest square in Greece. For the adventurous, the Island Trail offers diverse landscapes and hidden gems waiting to be discovered. This island paradise promises a perfect blend of historical significance, captivating natural beauty, and enriching cultural experiences. We invite you to create unforgettable memories on this enchanting escape. Welcome to Corfu. Good vibes only.